Welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, and today we're cutting through the noise. We're not talking about some futuristic sci-fi bot. We're talking about a practical, powerful AI that can help you make smarter investment decisions right now. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why this isn't just a gimmick. It's the future of investing. So what is this AI and why is it so different? We're talking about platforms like AlphaSense or SP Capital IQ Pro, which are now powered by advanced AI. Think of them as a hyper-intelligent research assistant. While you might spend hours reading a company's 10K report, this AI can scan thousands of SEC filings, news articles, and analyst reports in an instant to find key phrases and sentiment trends you'd easily miss. Here's the step-by-step breakdown. Sentiment analysis. Let's say you're looking at Tesla. The AI can analyze every recent news story and social media post, flagging if the overall sentiment is positive or negative. It's like having a finger on the pulse of the market's mood, which can be a leading indicator of price movements. Uncovering hidden connections. The AI can spot patterns between seemingly unrelated events. For example, it might connect a small change in a supplier's production forecast to a potential supply chain issue for a major tech company. A correlation a human might take weeks to find. Risk assessment. Before you invest, the AI can quickly scan for red flags, things like lawsuits, regulatory investigations, or concerning changes in executive compensation. It's a second pair of eyes, and in investing, a second opinion can save you a fortune. Example: imagine you're considering a new stock. You plug in the ticker symbol. The AI instantly pulls up a risk score, highlighting things like recent insider selling or potential competition threats mentioned in competitor earnings calls. This isn't about the AI telling you to buy or sell. It's about it giving you the data you need to make an informed, confident decision. This isn't about replacing your intuition. It's about empowering it. By using this kind of AI, you're not just playing the game, you're playing it smarter. If you found this quick guide helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Wealthory AI for more insights that will change how you think about money. What's one question you have about AI and investing? Let me know in the comments below.